Today we're making coconut milk from scratch. This video will not be live, it'll be posted later today because I don't want you guys sitting around listening to a blender for a long time. It's kind of annoying. Okay, so what we've done is Don's taken the coconut fine shreds that we bought, the organic ones, and he's got one bag. Is that just one bag? One bag in there?
Yeah, no, it's half of a bag.
Oh, half a bag?
Because we need a giant blender, but we don't, so we have to make it in like sections.
Okay, so he's got half of a bag in there, and then he's got he's going to heat up water in the microwave, which probably is 3 or 4 cups right now, I imagine. So we'll wait a second. Alright, so the water's been heating up for a few minutes. 4:10. If we had a bigger blender, we could do more, but we don't. So now we're going to have to plug in the blender and get your earplugs out. You can already see the fat starting to separate from the coconut shreds. But this is the healthiest way to get your coconut milk.
Smells good already.
I could smell it just without the water. I'm like, that smells so good. So remember, this stuff ain't gonna have that gum stuff. The gum stuff that they put in there is to keep it a liquid. It's a preservative, an additive. This will not have that in there. Now we're pouring it over a screen into a bowl. This was in the blender for about 10 minutes. We're separating the fat from the liquid. Need a spoon?
I got one.
Okay. This is Don's specialty. This is what he does. This is the best way to get coconut milk. It tastes so much better than buying it in the store. I eat that fluffy stuff. It's like snow.
Just trying to strain the milk out of it.
Yeah. There's the milk right there. That was just half a bag. We'll put it in our glass container. We saved our milk container and we fill it up with our coconut milk.
I made quite a bit.
Yeah. Man, that did make a lot for a half a bag.
Yeah.
So that half a bag, which this bag is,
Now we gotta just do it again.
yep, 8.8 ounces. And I think this bag was like $3 or $4. Maybe made that much coconut milk there, which that is that a half-gallon jug, I guess? So we got almost half of a half-gallon jug, whatever that means, out of half a bag. So I'm going to say one of those 8.8 ounce bags is going to come close to filling up half a gallon there. So that's how we make homemade coconut milk, because this is way better and it tastes so much better than the store-bought. Store-bought, when they put in those preservatives, it takes that flavor out because they do so much separation and additives. So he's on to batch number 2. Remember, he put half a bag in that big blender we got, which is standard size you'd buy anywhere, and then he heats up the water. He filters our water, puts it in the microwave for 4 or 5 minutes to get it boiling hot, puts it in the blender, blends it for about 10 minutes, filters it, and then strains it, and then puts it in our little jug. And that's how we make homemade coconut milk. So I'm going to finish this video and upload it.